Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I'll show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen. To be more precise, top right side, that's where the toggles are. And in this section right here, you want to swipe down again, which will extend the list of visible toggles and also give you the labels for them, hopefully revealing the power saving mode, which you can see right here for me. Now, if you don't see this toggle in this list right here, you will be able to add it by clicking on this pencil icon right here. And then right at the bottom, you'll have add a control. Click on this and find the power saving mode somewhere in this list right here. I'm gonna quickly check for it. So it's under system apps. You can see right here power saving, and there is nothing else. I was looking for other modes, which I do believe Samsung does have, but it looks like you just don't have a toggle for it. Anyway, I'm gonna go back. You would have obviously just tapped on the toggle itself, so let me just demonstrate it. So tap on a toggle, gets added, though it doesn't get added to here, it will get added to the bottom of the page. You can grab it from here and move it back into this list. And you can see it's now added here, but you don't need to. So in any case, once it's in here, you can simply tap on the power saving toggle. It turns on dark mode and does some other things like reduces screen refresh rate, application refreshes in the background when you're not using the device, and some other things. One of the most important thing that it does is with the applications. So it kind of terminates the applications in the background, so they cannot operate when you're not using your device. So as an example, applications such as WhatsApp, when you're not using your phone, might not be giving you any kind of notifications for new messages if you're not using the device. If it's just laying on your table, screen off for a prolonged time, even if someone sent you a message on WhatsApp, you will not know about this because the phone has not had the opportunity to check if someone sent you the message. So something to be aware of. Now, anyway, that's the power saving mode. To turn it off, you would just find this toggle again and tap on it once more, and this would obviously revert all the changes. And if we hold this toggle, I hope, yep, there we go, we get taken to the settings for it. And we do have, like I mentioned, that other mode. Now we can turn it on right here, and that will allow us to switch between them. For some reason, you can swap them out when the mode is off, which makes no sense, but whatever. And here you can see we have the standard, which standard, it means actual power saving mode, just a normal power saving mode, opposed to the maximum one. And you can click on the settings for each one of the two and see, for instance, standard, what it does. So it limits CPU speed to 70%, decreases brightness by 10%, smoothness to 60, dark mode, and screen timer to 30 seconds. Now these are the ones that you can toggle on and off. Now if we were to go back and switch to the maximum one, go home, you can see that most applications now became deactive, so they are now dim, and I can unsuspend them and use them, but other than that, they're basically suspended. And the phone doesn't suspend the applications that are part of like the core system. So things like, for some reason, Play Store, but other ones that would make more sense, like phone, messages, and clock, and that's about it, I think, right? So you have messages, dialer, clock. Yeah, that's it. Now you can obviously use any of these applications that you have right here by just clicking on them and unsuspending them. So I'll just say Bixby, unsuspend temporarily, and it will open it up. Now when you close it and stop using the device, it will become suspended again, which goes back to the application not being able to check for updates and new messages. So anyway, you can also see we don't have a wallpaper right here, and this mode is for the most part designed to preserve as much battery as the phone can. So if you're not in a pinch, you don't need, maximum amount of battery to be available to you, or maximum amount of time, then probably stick just with the normal mode. Just keep in mind, whichever mode you used last will be the mode that you'll be enabling right here again. So if I tap on it, it goes back to the maximum one from from the normal one that we used to have first time around. So if I wanted to change, I would go back here. And again, I need to turn it on, swap to it, and there we go. And now if I turn it on, it's going to be enabling the standard one instead. Now if we go back, you can see right here, the phone hasn't learned my usage yet, but once it does, it will tell you the remaining time, which potentially would also tell you how long the phone will last in each one of these modes, the standard and the maximum battery saver. So you could have a bit more insight in how it affects the battery life. On Samsung though, from my experience, as I do use the S25, it gives you just several hours from normal operation to the power saving mode, and it does about double the battery life when you go from the normal mode to the maximum battery saver. So it's okay. It's not the best, but it's still pretty decent. Getting double battery life, meaning that if your phone, I don't know, has 10%, I just assume, and it tells you that it's gonna be last, I don't know, 2 hours, let's say, right? With maximum, you're now going to be getting essentially 4 hours of remaining battery life, which is pretty good. So anyway, that's about it. So I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.